Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are absolutely fine and taking good care of yourself. So, today I'll be talking about National Park and Wildlife Sanctuaries of India. So, I will just tell you that why these national park and wildlife sanctuaries were created. Now, due to human beings, many animals have become extinct or are on the verge of extinction. What is happening is human beings are killing animals for their needs. So, that is why these animals are becoming less in number. And one day it will be so that these wild animals they will perish. So, the government has now started protecting forests and animals by setting up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Cutting of trees and poaching is not allowed in these areas. In our country, there are many national park and wildlife sanctuaries. So, we'll be discussing about national parks and wildlife sanctuaries one by one in India. So, first let me tell you about national parks. National park it is a protected area which is established by the government to conserve wildlife and to protect them. So, in this national park, no human activity or settlement is allowed. You cannot go and settle in that area where national park has been created. No cutting, grazing is allowed, and no outside species is also allowed here. And to visit such national park, you need some official permission and some documents. And you need permission from IUCN, International Union of Conservation of Nature. So you need permission, some documents, some proof from these authorities to visit national park. And these national parks and all they are known as protected areas. That means they are the areas which protect wild animals, forest. Okay. So let us discuss about national parks one by one. Now the first and foremost national park which we are discussing is the Jim Corbett National Park. It is one of the oldest national park and it was established in the year 1936. And where it is located, you can see it is located in Nainital district and Parui Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. And they actually protect the tiger, the Bengal tiger. Now, second is the Kaziranga National Park. See in the map, you can see it is located in Assam and it is famous for one horn rhinoceros, tiger, swamp, deer, water buffalo, and a large number of bird species. So, Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. Now, Sundarban National Park, it is located in West Bengal. See this green color you can see. This is the location of Sundarban National Park. It was established in the year 1984 and it is famous for Royal Bengal tiger. So when you visit these national park, you will be able to see these wild animals. You don't find these protected animals in zoo and all. If you want to see them, you have to visit these national park. Now, Gir National Park, it is located in the state of Gujarat and it was established in the year 1965. It is famous for lions. Now, Kanha National Park, it is located in Madhya Pradesh and was established in the year 1973 and it is famous for tiger reserve. So, there are many national parks in India which are made to protect the tigers because due to poaching and hunting and all, tigers are often being hunted for their skin. So, they are on the verge of extinction. So, these national park and wildlife sanctuaries are created to protect them. Now, Periyar National Park, it is located in the Western Ghats of Kerala. It was established in the year 1982 and it is famous for elephant and tiger reserve. Now, Sariska National Park, it is again located in Rajasthan, established in the year 1955, and it is also famous for tiger reserve. Ranthambore National Park, it is in Rajasthan, established in the year 1983, and it is famous for Bengal tiger. So see each and every national park location I have shown you in these map. Okay, so that it is clear to you all where these national parks are. Now, wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary is a place that is reserved exclusively for wildlife. So, what is the difference between a national park and a wildlife sanctuary? In national park, there are wild animals and there are some species of birds also, and they protect flora and fauna both. And sanctuaries, they are made to create exclusively for wildlife, to, to protect our wild animals. It provides habitat, safe and healthy living condition to all wild animals, especially to the endangered and rare ones. So wildlife sanctuary is only for wild animals. Now people are not allowed to live here, but some human activities are allowed, such as grazing and firewood collection. Tourism is permitted here. So Bharatpur Wildlife Sanctuary, again you can see it is located in Rajasthan. So once you visit Rajasthan, once you plan to go there for a holiday, you can just tell your parents to just tell you to visit them to visit one of the national parks, so that you can see these wild animals. So, Bharatpur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. It was established in the year 1982, and it is famous for species of birds. So, this is all for today. Hope you all like this video, and hope it will help you in marking all these national park in your political map of India. Thank you and have a nice day.